From public parks to personal gardens, from playing hide and seek to chasing each other on a trunk, from sharing space with birds to enjoying its own company, from nibbling on a public bench to even inspecting a hammock. Squirrels are some of the most visible wildlife in our modern urban and suburban settings. Sometimes, as soon as you step outside your home, you are likely to see a squirrel scampering for a cover. As most of us already know, squirrels like to feed on variety of seeds, nuts, and fruits. But how many of us know that squirrels are a vital part of the ecosystem they inhabit? They are sometimes called nature's gardeners. This is because of their peculiar habit of picking seeds and burying them so that they can use in the future. They bury the seeds throughout the environment. Interestingly, they often forget the location. Which leads to the natural propagation of trees and plants. Squirrels also feed on insects, worms, and other small animals, which help to keep the greenery free from pests. This makes them natural gardeners. Squirrels are part of the rodent family. Yes, the same species that has rats and house mice. Rodent species vary significantly in size, diet, and behavior. They are known for their continuously growing incisors. There are over 2,000 species of rodents found in the wild. Some of them you know, while some you might not. Guinea pig, hamsters, flying squirrels, porcupines, voles, muskrats, jerboas, chinchillas are all part of this huge family. The world's largest rodent is capybaras, mostly found in South America. They are semi-aquatic mammals that can grow up to 4 feet. The second largest rodent is a beaver. Beaver is a keystone species in our biodiversity and also referred as an ecosystem engineer because they can change the landscape. They have a unique behavior of chewing down trees and branches and pulling them to make dam-like structures in rivers and streams. The work of beavers is considered important for the environment for multiple reasons. We have done a detailed video on beavers. You can find the link in the description. Apart from what squirrels and beavers do, other rodents are also equally significant to our biodiversity. Let us look at few other reasons. Rodents play a critical role in the food web. Because of their abundance in the wildlife, they are a source of food for many other animals. Many carnivorous mammals, birds, and reptiles feed on rodents because of their availability in different terrains. This is essential for sustenance and stability of the ecosystem. Another important contribution of rodents in the ecosystem is their ability to improve soil fertility. Rats, mice, and other rodents often dig into the soil, creating an extensive network of tunnels and burrows which they use for their stay. As they create burrow systems, their excavation activities contribute to improved soil aeration. Enhanced soil aeration is vital for soil fertility, which help in the growth of plants and overall vitality of the ecosystem. They also sometimes take plants and food materials to their burrows, which further enriches the soil with valuable organic matter. Also, as mentioned, rodents eat small insects and worms, thus helping in pest control. Many species of rodents are biologically similar to humans and are therefore subjected to experimental drugs and treatments. As many of you would know, modern drugs and medicines which are used for treating humans were first tested on small rats in big scientific laboratories. Experimenting with rats' bodies is part of biology lessons and curriculum in schools and medical colleges. In urban environments like cities, rodents often eat the food leftovers that are thrown by humans, thereby cleaning the place. Rodents are also considered an important part of many cultures and history in many countries. They are a symbol of nature in urban areas. While we cannot deny that rodents, mainly rats and mice, can sometimes cause detrimental effects on agriculture. During rodent outbreaks, agricultural losses can be severe to farmers. They can also be responsible for spreading diseases such as plague and typhus. However, as we saw in this video, these small creatures have a profound impact on soil health, biodiversity, and food security. Therefore, we must understand their complex role in the ecosystem as we go about studying our biodiversity and make development policies. At Change Started, we endeavor to bring interesting facets of our nature and the environment. Thank you.